Hello everyone, I'm Jumaini Siregar. I'm a postgraduate student of University of North Sumatra. I will give the presentation about Praat. This presentation will introduce you to how Praat helps in solving problems related to voice analysis. So beforehand, we should know what Praat is. Well, Praat is a program that was created by two Dutchmen. Here they are, Paul and David Winning. It was created at the University of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. This explains the name Praat is Dutch and means to speak or to talk. In brief, Praat is a system for phonetic analysis. Now, Praat is freely available on the website. Here is the URL where you can find more detail about Praat. So guys, you should download the Praat icon. It's the one with the pink lips and ear. Once you download it and then you open up the program, it looks like this. So there is a Praat object window and Praat picture window. We don't need Praat picture window for now, at least, so we can close it and we just use Praat object. Okay, before we edit or manipulate a sound, we have to get one. So there are two methods of sound capture. We can either import a sound file from our computer, or we can directly record our sound through Praat. So I will give you the techniques how to import a sound file from our computer and also how to record our sound through Praat. So for the first, how to import our file, on the menu options, we click on open and then read from file, and immediately a folder will open. You can choose which file you want. As soon as this file has been opened, it will appear in this window, in this one. So the file that you choose will be here. Okay, for the second, about how to record our sound, all we can do is we go to new and then click record mono sound. Actually, there are two choices, mono and stereo, but in this course we will choose mono because the file size is a little bit smaller. And then this is the sound recorder window. You can choose the frequency for the first, and then you can select the name of your recording, and then you can start record your voice. If you have finished with recording, you can just save it to list and close. After that, you can see your voice, or I mean your file, in this window, same as the file that you get from your computer. So in this window, I mean your file will be here. Okay, now as soon as you have a sound in the object window, several buttons will appear. These buttons will appear. Okay, now the more powerful option, and that's the one that we will use the most in the Praat, is view and edit option. You can click on it and then this window will appear. Okay, in this window you can see in the top half it is the waveform, and the bottom half is the spectrogram. Okay, now let's interpret the spectrogram. On the vertical axis, this one, on the vertical axis we find the frequency. The default is arranged from 0 to 5000 Hertz. Actually it is the standard analysis range for human speech. And on the horizontal axis here, we find the time in seconds. The default maximum is 10 seconds. Okay, and then we have the degree of darkening, which displays the intensity of certain frequency. So this dark is the intensity. While in the spectrogram, we can know the intensity with the yellow line. So when the waveform, the intensity is the dark one, while in the spectrogram, the intensity is the yellow line. Okay. Now, if you want to display the intensity values, you can click on intensity and then get intensity, and here you are the intensity values. Okay. Now, if you click into the spectrogram here, a red dots appear. The red dots here. The red dots appear. It is the formants. Formant can reflect the place and manner of articulation of vowel. And also, we have a very interesting option to display the formant values. So this is the way to see the formant values. Click the formant and then formant listing and then get first formant, and here you are the windows of formant values. Another interesting option is the option of pitch, and in spectrogram we can see the pitch with a blue line. Here a blue line here is the pitch, and if you want to list the pitch or you want to know the pitch values, you can click pitch and then get pitch, and then here the window of pitch values. So that's all from my presentation. Thanks in advance. Thanks for your nice attention. I hope you understand what I have explained, and the last, have a good day.